You may have heard of vacuum blenders, but you may not know what all the fuss is about. No, it's not a blender that vacuums your floors. Rather, blenders like this BioChef Astro create an airtight jug for your smoothies that help to prevent oxidation. That is the air sucked in from your jug to produce a smoothie that retains maximum nutrients and won't separate or discolour if left to sit on your bench. You'll also get a smoothie with a foam-free texture and enhanced flavour. Exclusive to appliances online, the Astro vacuum blender is a game changer in medium-sized power blenders. Its simple LED controls will make your favourite smoothies even smoother. Today we're looking at this blender in a beautiful bronze, but it's also available in dark grey, so you can complement or contrast the Astro with any kitchen decor. When you've finished vacuum blending, you can preserve your remaining blender contents with the vacuum only mode and the 700ml vacuum storage container. This container is especially useful if you like to take some sustenance with you when you're on the go. You have the choice of 9 speed settings as well as functions for pulse control and cleaning. With a borosilicate glass jug and Japanese stainless steel blades, the Astro vacuum blender is built to last. And that's all for the BioChef Astro vacuum blender, a benchtop companion that stands out from the crowd. Thanks for watching.